Hi, boys and girls. On this page, you are going to take some of your learning about all of the famous Americans that we have been learning about. I want you to select two inspirational Americans that you have learned about over this task, and I want you to write one person's name on this top blank and the other person's name on this bottom blank. And then I want you to think about both of those Americans and what they did to help our country. What is it that made them so extraordinary? In this center section, I want you to pick one thing that is alike about both of those Americans. Then up here, I want you to write one thing that made that famous American different. And down here, I want you to write something that made this famous American different. Once you are done, you may move on to your next activity.